Hello and welcome to this presentation from Pluralsight. My name is Andrew Mallett and we're going to take a look at our client tools and how we can start using them to resolve DNS issues. In running through this section, we're going to take a look at the resolve.conf and how we can control the network manager if we don't want the resolve.conf overwriting, or how we can set our own settings within the configuration files for each interface. We'll be looking at the name service switch file, and this controls the order in which name resolution will carry out. And we'll run through the commands dig, nslookup and host. Especially nslookup, if you're used to using, say, Windows hosts, then Windows will have nslookup. So we will run through that on our Ubuntu hosts so that we're familiar with all three ways of resolving host names. But more important than the standard tools are perhaps creating our own bespoke tools to carry out exactly what we want. So we'll be looking at some simple Perl and Python scripts that you can use to help diagnose issues on your network. First off, with the etc resolve.conf, we probably know that this is where we're going to add our name server information. However, often this is overwritten by the network manager. On CentOS systems, we can make sure that an interface isn't controlled by Network Manager by using nm_managed equals no. And on Ubuntu host, we can make sure that we add it to /etc/network/interfaces. So in this way, then it's the Network Manager is not controlling these interfaces. But we'll also see how we can include information within these configuration files to write the DNS information we need. The name service switch file controls the order of name resolution, and we can see that the default on the Ubuntu host is to first check our local file, so /etc hosts, then do a multicast lookup, and then look for DNS. So we can exclude or change the order of these lookups. Very often doing a DNS lookup first is probably going to be a little bit more secure, as it's less easy to make changes to DNS as it is to files and multicast DNS. Let's quickly run through these on our system.